How to use the OutIn Universal coffee stand. Align the holes of the adjustment shaft with the base plate, then tighten the screw using the hex key. Align the holes of the top holder with the adjustment shaft, then tighten the screw using the hex key. Place the silicone pad onto the top holder. Adjust the height by twisting the adjustment knob. The OutIn Universal stand is naturally compatible with the OutIn Nano portable espresso machine. And also compatible with pour-over coffee setups. To detach the coffee stand, loosen the screws on each side. To prevent losing the screws, twist them back into the side holes of the adjustment shaft for safekeeping.